Alright, my sandwich, sandwiches, sublops.
The Orioles have been wearing theirs this week, and they suck. You want to see what theirs look like?
No.
It's bad.
We're doing a cheese tier list. Okay, American cheese. Yeah, it's just... Wait, can I add a 2? No, I cannot. Yes. Holy dairy.
Spider-Man Lamborghini, Revan.
Spider-Man what?
Watch.
Whoa, whoa.
Wait, is that a Lamborghini or Ferrari? I can't see the logo.
That's a Lambo.
That's a Lamborghini. Okay, my eyes are blurry. It belongs to Josh Reddick. He's one of the guys that's on the announcer team here on this channel. He used to be a baseball player for the Astros.
Anyways, American cheese.
See right there, it's got his name and his number on the side.
Oh.
That's
Anyways,
bananas.
D tier for
There
American.
he is, right there. That's the Spider-Man.
Please stop interrupting me.
You stop interrupting me. Go to the light on.
Anyways, Asiago. I don't know. I gotta edit that to haven't tried. Haven't tried. Well, anyways. Blue cheese. Dip some wings in it. It is beautiful.
Oh, that's blue cheese. That's blue cheese dressing.
Shut up!
Different from blue cheese. Like it's made out of blue cheese.
Brie. I don't think I've had brie.
You have, you just don't remember. I don't think you like it that much.
Kasumatsu, isn't that the cheese that has like maggots in it?
Which one?
Kasumatsu.
No idea.
Yeah, I haven't tried that. Cheddar, instant A tier. It is amazing. Mascarpone. I think I've tried it, I just don't remember it. So I have to put it in haven't tried because I just don't remember. Cotija? I hope I'm saying that right. Anyways, I haven't tried that. Man, I didn't know there was gonna be cheese I haven't tried. Gouda! I think I've had Gouda.
I think you've had what?
Gouda.
Baby Bell is similar to Gouda, but
It's just too light.
Gouda is somewhere between cheddar and Baby Bell.
Oh, then C. Cream cheese. Chef's kiss. Dubliner. I don't think I've had. Dubliner.
Dublinier?
Who cares on the
Well,
premium?
nobody's gonna know what you're talking about if you say Dubliner.
Dublinier.
Dublinier.
Dublinier. Have not tried.
I've never had Dublinier.
Provolone. A tier. Oh, if you haven't... A tier.
You idiot. It goes higher than that.
Listen, I have to edit S tier to where it's like a god tier. And only one
No!
only one item.
Goodbye!
What?
Carlos Correa
Carlos Correa.
just hit a 2-run home run.
Feta cheese.
That's what I'm
Have
talking
we had
about,
feta?
motherfuckers.
Have we had feta?
Huh?
Have we had feta?
The cheese bread from Domino's with the feta in the middle.
Oh yeah. Yeah, solid A.
It's higher than that, dude. It's pretty.
I know, but there's no S.
Oh. Anyway, that is a.
What the flip is Gruyere?
Huh?
What the flip is Gruyere?
Gruyere is basically brie that's been allowed to get too old.
Yeah, I haven't tried.
Oh no!
Fun to know.
Oh no! Revan!
What?
Oh my god.
What happened?
He forgot. He forgot to play the bullpen guys. And look what they're doing.
Hey!
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 What you doing, dog? They're trying to get his attention,
Swiss.
like, hey, bro.
Swiss. The iconic cheese. I think people are gonna eat my legs over this, but B. Do you remember the good old days? Humboldt Fog. What is
Oh, he
Humboldt?
finally did it. There you go. He finally did it.
What is
He did it.
Humboldt?
My bad. My bad.
What is Humboldt Fog?
Humboldt? What?
Humboldt Fog.
Huh.
It looks like it has like a blue line, like like just forming in the middle of it. Munster. I know it's just Munster cheese is too light. It's
It's too what?
too light of a flavor.
Oh my god, look, Revan.
What?
Jesus Sanchez just hit his first home run as an Astro. What the hell?
Yay!
Dude, this first inning is bananas. This dude's given up 2 freaking first inning home runs. That's wild.
Are you America's #1 creamer?
What?
Anyways, what the flip is Manchego?
Oh, it's Manchego.
What's Manchego?
It's a like a wait. I think it's like a Mexican cheese, is it not? Good lord, what just happened? Revan, when did this game started? Like 4 minutes ago? And the Astros just hit 2 home runs. Holy moly.
Which is, anyways, Mimolette? Mimolette?
Huh?
Mimolette?
You'd have to show me how it's spelled, I don't know.
Mimolette.
No idea.
Why does it look like a pumpkin? Like pumpkin pie.
They're so happy.
Monterey Jack.
Revan, look at this.
Overrated.
Yeah, I'm not a big Monterey Jack fan. Watch the TV for a second.
Okay.
Look at this right here. Right here. Look at that.
Oh.
So happy.
Yay. Mozzarella. A tier. I don't know what that is. Romano.
Romano cheese
Yeah.
is like Parmesan.
I think I'd probably like it.
You've had it. It's like Parmesan. It's mixed with most Parmesan cheeses.
Oh yeah. And I'm just predicting that Asiago is also like that.
What's the question?
I'm predicting Asiago is also like Parmesan.
No, Asiago is similar to mozzarella, but it's No, it's in a lot of like Mexican cheese dishes.
What the flip is Roquefort?
Is what?
Roquefort.
No idea.
Roqueufort.
No idea.
No idea. Anyways, yes, this was the... Wait, oh yeah, I forgot one thing. So... we gotta see which cheese is the best of cheeses.
Oh my god! What the fuck?
What?
Another home run!
What?
Another...
Guys, it's a good day for the Astros. Good day for the Astros.
Are you kidding me?
Good day for the Astros.
5 runs in the first inning, dude. That
All
is
right.
wild.
Oh, this is hard. I love my cheese.
Holy moly.
I'm
That
gonna
was wild.
put feta there. What if I just bow, 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 just
Revan, they've only got 1 out. This is bananas.
Alright, so the Holy Dairy is split between cream cheese and provolone. But
Oh
yeah,
my god.
this was the cheese tier list. Thanks for watching.
What's it?